Welcome everybody to another weekly market update. The date is Sunday. Well, it's Sunday the 1st of October after the market closed on 29th of September. New month, and it's an ominous month in history, October. Actually, it's a bit of a misnomer. Actually, everyone thinks of October as being the great crash month, but July and August actually historically is the most volatile months. Not this year though. And it's as yet no evidence that it will be this year either for October, because this is the stock market that just refuses to go down. It's the never-ending up cycle that won't even have a healthy correction in what will soon be a year. I don't know what the records are, but that's got to be getting up there, and there's no sign of it slowing down either. This new bull market was born when my proprietary signal was given last November 2016, and it hasn't triggered a sell yet. This is a bull market that began a year ago and has been going up ever since, and you'd have tripled your money using that. But that's the long-term trend, and what we're doing here is we're looking at the long-term trend because we need to know for your pension, even your house, even your job, everything revolves around what's going on with the stock market. It all trickles down one way or another, and the stock market is a leading indicator for things like recessions. Typically gives us a 6 to 9 month warning, things like that. So what we can look into that is that it takes a while for a bear market to form, and that could be the indicator of a recession 6 to 9 months out. There's no sign of that just yet. It's the cycle, the up cycle that keeps on going. So a bull market it is, so that helps. Now we look at the shorter term trend, where it's just more like more what's going on this week, this month, because even though we're in a bull market, you can still get quite corrections within that, that feel quite volatile at the time, and then they soon correct upwards again. But this is the one that won't even have that correction. It barely even gets below its 50-day moving average, which is the red line here. Each day is a day of action in the stock market. And it just one new high after another. It's truly extraordinary, particularly when there's really not much changing other than, Trump's talking about, trying to get lower corporation tax through, which is bound to have an effect, but that is at the very least priced in by now. There's no doubt about it. This is an expensive stock market, but we don't get in the way of it. We don't short it when the trend is going this way. So the shorter term trend, then, there's no question about it. This is okay. It's at the top end of its range. Anything. I can't know exactly what's going to happen this week, but there's no reason to think that the short term trend is also very much up. It's a very aggressive upswing, both long and short term. So I will speak to you next time.